Hello, hello, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? It is the Swag Show. Thank you guys for being here so much. It is Thursday. Welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? Thank you for being here. It is the Swag Show. All right, there we go. Welcome in. Good afternoon. Hey, Ray. Good afternoon. Hello over on YouTube. Make sure you click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell a friend. Welcome in on TikTok. How's it going? Doing great. Hot as ever. The air conditioner's still broke, but that's all right. Called the landlord. He said we're having trouble somebody to come out and take a look at it because it's so hot. Everybody's busy, so I guess I'm on a waiting list. So we'll just suffer in silence over here in the miserable heat. Feels like 108 outside right now. Maybe 105. I don't know. Either way, it's miserable. Trading wise, did okay. Down a little bit overall on my Apex PA. Positive on my 250K take profit and down $50 on my 25K take profit. Other than that, it's been a rough day with the heat, with the kids. The algorithms have been doing good. Algorithms have done good. NQ prop up 400. Visual long green 550. NQ day PBV green 500. ES new 125. NQ later 430. Santa's up 2,000. Silver is green 600 right now. NQ day waves green 205. Big Bang NQ green 50. And Big Bang ES green 175. So yeah, pretty good day overall. Hit my goal, hit all my goals. There you go. How's the music? Can you hear the music? Is it too loud, too soft? Let me know now so I can adjust it as we get started on this stream on Thursday, June 26, 2025. Thank you for being here. Great day to be alive. My name is Kyle. I'm your host. Keep tapping that screen, share the stream, follow me on the Purple app, follow Jen, Ben, and Lauren as well. On TikTok, we are sweating like a stuffed pig over here. I don't even know how I did that. How do I do that? Did I wave? Oh, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Well, there we go. I didn't even know you could do that. I just click on there and it says I wave to you. Well, hello. Good afternoon. Super Z 280 today on micros. That a boy. There you go. 280 a day will keep the regular job away. This is this is NQ prop. This is part of the line algorithm. It was green $1,000 so far today. Took a couple of losses, but it's still green 400 on the day. Plus whatever happens on this trade. So zoom it in there so you can see. Keep on tapping that screen. Thank you for being here. Share the stream. Tap on the screen. Do all that cool, fun stuff you can do. Where's all the viewers? I wonder if everybody just trades in the morning and then they're done by the time I come on. Had a nice little pullback there to 22,600. You could have went long from there. Nice hold number. Nice hold number there at 22,600. Oh, there it was. Winner, winner on NQ prop. Let's see. Visual short, visual long, silver. Hi ho, silver. I don't have any silver charts, do I? I guess I do. I could try what is up here. This is silver range. It's green 625 right now. Traded silver for the first time today. There you go. Did you trail it manually by yourself, Ray, or what happened? How'd you know when to get in and get out? Or when did you get in and when did you get out? That's the better question. The algorithm got in at $36.775. If you don't follow me over on YouTube, that's the main BoldBot YouTube page. Otherwise, I'm over on the purple app, which is Twitch, Swag Show Kyle. I'd appreciate a follow over there. And if you don't follow me here on TikTok, please give me a follow. It doesn't cost you anything. I appreciate it. Follow me, follow Jen, follow Ben, follow Lauren. We go live 5 times a day, 5 days a week. Yep, this is silver. Still running. Keeps on running. I don't know where the actual... let me see. Actually, I do know where it's at. It's up here at $37.025 where it's going to take profit. So it'll take profit $37.025. So right about here somewhere. If it can get up to here where that white line is, that's where it'll take profit and be done at a $1,250 win. But right now, if you wanted to move the stop loss up and lock in that profit, that's what you're supposed to do. You can definitely do that. I got in around the low this morning, made green. It's a little scary. Yeah, especially if you're running full size, that's for sure. If you're running full size, definitely. So if you got in down here around, I don't know, 36.53, 36.45-ish, that's a good run. Miguel, welcome in. Hello. Your live is not eligible for recommendations and restricted in search results because it primarily directs people off the platform. This is in line with the For You feed eligibility standard under... What? I don't know what the hell just happened. TikTok is just silly. What does it mean? Let me answer this chat. Hold on. Oh, thank goodness. That was the landlord. He found somebody to come and look at the air conditioner today. So, won't be later until later, but at least hopefully somebody will show up and get it fixed or worked on. TikTok just gave me a warning or something about how... I don't know. I don't understand. I don't understand it. Let's open it up and see what it says here. All right, let's see. This is in line with the... Okay. All right, we're back on here. Sorry about that. I was just trying to look at the TikTok thing that they posted. It's weird. It says live visibility restricted. Your live is not eligible for recommendation and restricted in search results because it primarily directs people off the platform. This is in line with the For You feed eligibility standards under our community guidelines. I have no idea what the hell they're talking about. Does anybody understand what the hell that TikTok's talking about? It just makes absolutely no sense. Your live is not eligible for recommendations. Okay, I get that. I appealed it already. Submit. Oh boy. Anyway, we're in silver trade. We've got Visual Long in a trade, NQ Big Bang in a trade. Let's look at that here. That's Santa. He's not in a trade. There's Big Bang. Let's pull him back over here. Alright, move Silver back over here a little bit. Let's move Big Bang up over here. So you can see Big Bang in queue and what it's doing. And then we'll leave Silver over here on the Purple app and on YouTube. Anybody else take the silver trade today? Crazy. Just crazy. How much did you take out, GAC? Are you still in it? Adrian O, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you being here. Everybody follow me, follow Jen, follow Ben, follow Lauren, follow me to the words of a, you know what I mean? It's hot. Keep tapping that screen. Thank you for being here. Let's let NQ run it on up. Silver's running it on up. It's hot. Algorithms are hot. The alerts are hot. Everything's on. Still on it. There you go. Did you move your stop loss? Are you trailing it? Where'd you set your stop at? Like 36,850? I'd set mine around there just so I could lock in them like $400, but that's just me. You stay on you. You do what you do. You know your account better than I do. But $400 a day is going to keep the real job away, that's for sure. I took a hit on my 25K PA, Apex PA, and a little bit of a hit on the take profit. Only $50. And then I made a bunch on the take profit 50Ks, so I'm almost halfway there. You're at 450 profit. There you go. Yeah, I would leave it there until it got up to like 650, and then I'd move it up to 500, something like that. You got to take your profit when you can, but you know you want to trail it so you don't have a drawdown either. Unless you're on a cash account or something. Even then, you still don't want to give back profit, you know. Like right here on Big Bang, if this was on my live account, I'd move it up and lock in $100 worth of profit, you know, because why not? $100 is $100. All right, let me take this call real quick. Fucking. Alrighty. Sorry about that, chat. Here we go. Positive 70 bucks. The alert trade. I took 6 micros. Goes downside, but my stop loss was a little bigger, so I ended up positive 70. Okay. Alright. Well, you're talking about on the manual alert? Because I only lost one of those today, right? I was 2 for 3. 2 out of 3 today. Is that right? On the manual alerts. And that one earlier, my first one, it really ran like 60 points in a blink of an eye. I don't know. Maybe it was longer. In short, at 9:45, and then at 9:46, it dropped like really quick, like 60 points in a blink of an eye. And then it had a long, that one. And then had a long, I don't know, maybe I'm 3 out of 4 today. Maybe I'm 3 out of 4. I don't know. What is going on with my YouTube here? Or my TikTok. There we are. We're back. Nate, what up? Welcome back. Big Bang NQ still in this. Silver up to 700 now. I'd move your stop loss up, lock in 500. If it was me, you know, you do what you want to do, but if it was me, I'd lock in $500 worth of profit on silver. That is prop. Looking for a pullback. Here we go. Back to NQ, Big Bang, and silver. You can see both on TikTok and, on Purple app and on YouTube. And if you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me, follow Jen, follow Ben, follow Lauren. We appreciate you tuning in each and every day, Monday through Friday. I go live 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Ben starts it off at 8:30 Eastern, then followed by Jen, then Lauren, then me. Then Lauren again, and then maybe even Lauren again later. So I know she's, I think, on vacation still right now, so schedule might be a little bit off, but she still tries to go live. She can't get enough of it. She's addicted to it. Landlord called back, said somebody will be here at 6:30 to look at the AC, which is great. It's a blessing, so that's good. What else we got? Manual alerts. I think I'm 3 out of 4 on the day, maybe. 100 bucks for the first week of those. 500 bucks a month after that. Premium alerts. Premium alerts. Digital mentorship. If you want that, email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. If you want the standard algorithms, email me, BoldBotInfo@gmail.com. We got visual long and a $430 long. Oracle or silver box seats, silver still over here on the left, green $650. It was up to 700. I'd lock in 550 right now. Go ahead, move it up. Lock in 550 bucks. Don't let them take back what you've earned, what you've learned so hard for. Why is that acting so weird? Here. There. That looks so weird. I don't know why it looked like that. Oh, probably because you couldn't see the right candlestick. Sorry about that. There we go. Now we're right. Now everything's square. Sorry about that. How'd everybody else do today? Did you make some money? Did you swag? Did you stop when you're at your goal? I'm not gonna lie, I was down quite a bit on these PAs and the take profits. I was down like $300-400 bucks, but I fought my way back to being only down like 50, so that's a good thing. Just gotta remember to size down and go slow and small. Anybody else dealing with the heat? The heat is on. Outlaw passed an eval today. There you go. Which one? NQ? NQ Outlaw? And did you have it on like a full mini size? Yes, full mini on NQ Outlaw. There you go. Now you just got to put it on micros and go slow and steady. I forgot to change my thing, but Apex does have the 80% off sale still going on. They re-added it. Let me see if I can edit this midstream. Okay, whatever. I'll peel that. Change this. Come on. I guess I can't do it while I'm live. Oh well. Oh well, we're back. I guess I can't update it. But anyway, it's Swag Show. Use the code Swag Show. Apex 80% off code is Swag Show. There you go. Oh, maybe I can. Apply. There we go. Alright, there we go. I did it midstream. There it is. See, it changed up top. 80% off code Swag Show. Go on over to Apex. Get yourself some evals. 80% off. $290 now on Big Bang NQ. $675 on silver. I've had a bad signal on base. That's why I keep coming in and out. Oh, I got you. No problem, Nate. What?
Are you done streaming?
Does it look like it?
Or did you already stream? Or you're...
Look, you're on stream, son. You're going to be famous now. Go eat. Go do something.
Dad, did you know if you hit 12 million subscribers, you can actually get a red YouTube play button? YouTube just released it.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you for that information,
And
son.
it's really, really rare.
I appreciate it. The things you can learn from a 6-year-old. One of the twins. They're wicked smart. Is that a future trader? Heck yeah, it is. You better believe it. I'm gonna be teaching them as soon as they get older. My oldest one has an interest in it already. He's looking at the graphs and the charts, and he's like, I think that's gonna go up based on the structure. It looks like this pattern here, and I'm like, oh boy, okay. That's my 9-year-old talking. He looks at the 15-minute chart and tells me what he sees. It's pretty funny. The 6-year-old just knows more about YouTube than anybody. One of my 6-year-olds. I got identical twins. But, yeah. It's hard. There is the stop loss being moved up on NQ Big Bang. Guaranteeing green now. Locking in profit as we go up. Still green on silver. Let's see. Hitting resistance. What are we hitting? Resistance 2 there on NQ. We'll see if it can break through. When you trade with a partner, you get more confidence as long as they have a common goal. Yeah, I don't know how if I'd call my 9-year-old a partner yet, but I don't know if legally he can trade until he's 18, honestly. Trader LIHC, welcome in, good afternoon. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. It is 1:26 p.m. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you the futures market trading algorithm called BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Nobody ever answered about the music, so I'm going to guess that it's okay. Not too loud, not too soft, just right. Do, do, do. So, if you're interested in the standard algorithms for $250 for the first 2 weeks, and then $1,000 a month after that, email me at boldbotinfo@gmail.com. Otherwise, if you're interested in any of the other products, email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Lack of feedback is what makes us trade more, since no one tells us that green is green. Yeah, and we had something worked out in a group at one time where we were going to partner people up and like have a trading buddy where you could message each other, and that's still a thing in chat. You could ask, hey, does anybody want to be my trading buddy or my trading partner? And you just message each other through Slack throughout the day and ask how the day's going, and make sure that once that partner has hit its goal, have him shut it down, send you proof that his computer's shut, take a picture, something. I don't care. This is Nate. I had to switch over to YouTube. Okay, no problem. Thank you for being over there, Nate. Just now seen that. You said when you're on base. What do you mean on base? Are you in the military? If you're in the military, man, thank you for your service. I appreciate you. I really do. Shout out to the military. If anybody is in active service or a vet, we appreciate you. We got $360 on NQ Big Bang, $600 on silver box seats. It's just kind of holding steady there on silver right now. Not really going anywhere, which is crazy that it's not moving. Do, 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 do. Viewer rewards. I don't know what that means. Stream together. I don't know. Rewards, drops. I don't know how to really work the Purple app much. I need to learn from the pros. Hopefully when I go to this thing in August, I can learn some tips and tricks about the Purple app. But yeah, right now we're on it. We're on YouTube. We're on TikTok. We're here for you to ask any questions you might have. about the algorithm, about trading, about anything. We could talk about whatever you want to talk about. We're here for an hour each and every day, Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. So follow me, follow Jen, follow Ben, follow Lauren. We all go live 5 times a day, 5 days a week. But Daniel, back to what I was saying, if you want to reach out to somebody in the group that, you see in chat a lot, just say, hey, do you want to be my accountability buddy? And, that way when you reach a goal, you could reach out to them and say, hey, I made pretty close to what I wanted to today. How are you doing today? And, make you shut it off, I know we're all grown-ups here, but it does help to have somebody that you could reach out to and talk to try and help you out and stop when you're at your goal. I can't be there for everybody. I can only come on here and preach about it each and every day and try and help you that way. But other than that, set an alarm for yourself. Don't trade around 11:35 or 11:25 to 11:35. When London closes, that can be a reversal. Usually people selling out of their positions, stuff like that. But yeah, it happened today to me. It happened today. Let's look at it on Big Bang. Right here. This big red candle at 11:30. That's all the people trying to close out before the London close, selling off their positions. That's what caused that big drop. And then what they do, they just bought it right back up. So just be careful around those time frames. Know what's going on around the world in the other markets so you don't get trapped in the wrong position like I did today. I totally forgot about it and was in a long and it went short and I took the loss. So, but I made it all back up. So one of my clerks was trading futures without any of us knowing. We ended up doing that, what you said. That's pretty funny. We ended up cashing 3.5 payout, then he got transferred. Oh no. You just gotta go slow and steady, man. I'm telling you. I know it sucks because you see everybody making $500, $600, $700 a day per account or whatever, but those are probably all evals, honestly. Once they get to PAs, you gotta slow down. You gotta be happy with the $100 to $200 a day for 2 or 3 months and build up that buffer. Then you get a payout. Then you can buy more accounts. We're still trying to hit 5 by July 15th. I want 5 funded take profit accounts by July 15th. That's my goal. So I got to pass these 3 that I have, and then I got to get a payout from them by the 15th, and then I will buy some more take profit. Apex does have an 80% off sale going on right now. But I don't know. Right now, I'm not going to buy any more until I get paid out from the one I got. And I'm not going to request a payout from the one I got until I have like a $10,000 buffer in there. So that's going to be a while. That might be my Christmas fund. Right? Yeah, I mean, when you got to pay that activation fee and then you got to rebuild the buffer, you're basically doing it twice. That's why I like Tradeify. With Tradeify, it's a little more expensive, but you're already funded. All you got to do is start trading and make your buffer, and you could take a withdrawal. So it's not like you have to do it twice like everybody else. And I do have a link right there on the screen for Tradeify. It's also in my link tree. If you want to use that, click on my profile, click on my link tree, and then follow over to the Tradeify website. Tradeify, you can buy the straight to funded. They're a little more expensive, but they're worth it. Now they changed their payouts to every 7 days you can request a payout with the Tradeify straight to funded accounts. So I think you could get like a $150,000 account for maybe $350, something like that. But I don't know. What up?
Go swimming.
I don't know if we are, bud. I don't know. You need to probably eat lunch though. Yeah.
Can I have your phone since my tablet?
No, I'm using it. I'm working.
How are you using it?
Look. Come over here. You'll see yourself.
I do not.
Watch. You'll appear right there in the screen. There you are. See? What up, Trusty? How are you? Welcome in. Good afternoon. Thank you for being here. Obviously, it's summer break. The kids are home. It's hot as heck. HE double hockey sticks. It's miserable in here. Are we going to go all the way up to this 740 today? All-time 22,740-ish level. It's slowly and steadily creeping up here. We will make it. Our stop loss is provided with the alerts. Yes, we do have an ATM strategy that we suggest that you use. But you can always use your own, or you could talk with me about your potential situation and risk size based on your account, and I can help you create an ATM strategy. But yeah, one is kind of given to you when you join a group. Bless you.
Can I eat in the living room?
On a tray, yeah. What are you gonna have?
I don't know.
Okay.
A PB&J.
I don't have any bread. You have to go to Nana's and ask for some bread. Anyway, up 450 on this NQ Big Bang Long. Silver is all the way back down to 425 green. It's still green, $425, but I told you could have taken profit around 550, honestly. You don't want to give back too much of it, but it's still in it, I think, so you know, it's still in it, still in the trade. $550 right there. Just a little pullback. But we will make it. Did you hear? Were you here? Did you understand that? Yeah, Big Bang is premium. Yep.
I'm gonna eat pizza.
Huh?
I'm gonna eat.
Okay, warm it up in the microwave. Yes, Big Bang is premium. Yep. It's up $575 on the day so far. Visual Long is in a trade, green $810. It's up $1,300 on the day. Silver is in the trade still, $525. NQ Later's green $430. NQ Day Waves green $205. NQ Prop green $600. Big Daddy Oil green $500. And ES Big Bang green $175. So a lot of green, a lot of green. Make sure you follow me, follow Jen, follow Ben, follow Lauren on TikTok. Also over on the Purple app, it's Swag Show Kyle. And I am on the main BoldBot YouTube page. Coming up to that 22,650 level on NQ here. We'll see if we got enough mustard to break through. If you want more information about the standard algorithms, email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com. If you want the premium ones, email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Just kind of a slow grinding upward trend on NQ right now. Market